And with that, the 2025 season comes to an end.
And I can bring you Don't you sweat it, baby, it's alright. You were dancing through the lightning strikes. Oh, so sleepless in the onyx night.
Happy New Year, Kuya Titi, Kuya Tony, Kuya Jose, and Ate Min. Maraming salamat po sa lahat. Happy New Year! Hello po sa tatlong boss, Kuya Titi, Kuya Tony, Kuya Jose, and Ate Min. Thank you sa lahat. Happy New Year! Love, joy, hope! Hi to the three big bros and Ate Bing. Thank you for your kindness to us. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! To each one of you, wish ko lang sana good health kayo magkakapatid. Happy New Year, bossy. 2026 na!
Happy New Year, Kuya Titi, Kuya Tony, Kuya Jose. Mabuhay!
Happy New Year, Kuya Titi, Kuya Tony, Kuya Jose, si Bibing, si John Family. Happy New Year and Merry Christmas.
Happy New Year, Kuya, and thank you for everything. Sa lahat-lahat, Kuya, na binigay mo sa amin. Pagtulong, sa lahat na kung magkaroon kami ng problema. Thank you, Kuya Titi, Kuya Tony, Kuya Jose, Ate Janet. Wishing you more New Years to come. Happy New Year!
Hi Kuya Titi, Happy New Year! Kuya Jose and Kuya Tony, Happy New Year ulit. Salamat sa lahat. Thank you.
Happy New Year, Kuya Titi, Kuya Tony, and Kuya Jose. Maraming salamat po sa lahat and more blessings to come. God bless po.
Hello to all City fam. Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year. Hello to Kuya Titi, Kuya Tony, Kuya Jose, and to my beautiful tita. Maraming salamat po sa lahat-lahat po ng inyong tulong, especially po sa aking pag-aaral. Maraming salamat po. God bless always and stay healthy. Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year.
Hello po mga kuya. Thank you po for everything and thank you rin po dahil napakabait niyo po sa amin. Then, more blessings to come. God bless you po, Kuya Titi, Kuya Jose, Kuya Tony, and God bless you din po, Tita, and for the City family. Yun lang po, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
In 1, 2, 3, go. So, di na ninyo ako ang filter guys ha, kay bati kay kong nawong. So, kailangan pretty tagamay. Anyway, so hi to Kuya Titi, Kuya Tony, Kuya Jose, Ate Bibing, and to my former co-worker. So, dili ta mo to na isa-isa kay daghan ra kayo mo sa in general. Hello sa mga gwapo nga mga boss, sa mga gwapa nga mga employees. No, gwapo ka employees sa Kenjuan. So, kabalo kaming buka din yung atay cherries. Anyway, Happy New Year! So, as we welcome the 2026, I wanted to take this moment to sincerely thank all of you. So, looking back, I feel truly blessed to have worked alongside such a supportive and inspiring people. And each of you has helped me in a ways that I will never forget, whether through guidance, encouragement, or simply being there when I needed it most. So, to Kuya Titi, Kuya Tony, Kuya Jose, and Ate Bibi, thank you very much for your leadership, patience, and wisdom. You were not just mentors but a family to me, and I'll always carry the lessons you've shared. To my former co-workers, thank you so much for the friendship, teamwork, and laughter that we've shared. You made the journey lighter and more meaningful, and I'll always treasure those memories. So, as the 2026 begins, I wish all of you a good health, happiness, and success. May this year bring peace, joy, and prosperity to you and to your families. May your days be filled with love, laughter, and fulfillment in everything you do. And I'm truly grateful for the chance to have been part of your life. So guys, pag-enjoy mo sa inyong New Year, no, together with your loved ones, with your families, or friends. Kaya ako kayo na ako duty sa New Year. Very sad. Pa-regards lang ko sa lechon, sa pata, sa tanang ulam sa kayong chuan nga lamay kayo. Kaya na-miss na dyan kayo na ako. Pa-deliver please, Charis. So, warmest wishes for a fantastic year ahead. So, happy New Year, everyone. Every 2, every 3, every 4, every 5. Happy New Year, bye-bye.
Happy New Year, Kuya. God bless. Sana bigyan ka pa ng maraming blessing.
Good health always, Kuya. Thank you.
Happy New Year, Kuya. Happy New Year, Kuya Titi, Antonio, Kuya Jose, Ate Janet, and our guardian angel sa heaven, Kuya Delphine, Mama and Papa ni Kuya, Ate Simsim, and Ken Ken. Thank you for all the blessings. Thank you for all the guidance. I'm truly grateful for everything. And I'm very blessed na kayo ang nagiging best ko. And I really hope na you stay healthy, have a good health, and a very, very prosperous 2026. And more blessings to come. Walang magkakasakit sa ating lahat at sana magkaroon pa tayo ng maraming blessings na darating. And thank you. Happy New Year.
This is just a dream. It's true now that he thinks so next Christmas I'm not alone. Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next.
Happy New Year!